How to share TikTok video to Facebook story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can share a TikTok video to Facebook stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You can directly actually share the TikTok video to your Facebook story in two ways. One is you can upload the link only and not the whole video. So when you tap on the share icon here and you just select Facebook, you can actually send them to their chat, or maybe you can send them to your story over there, right? So that's one of the ways you can do it. Otherwise, you can tap on this arrow icon here, then just tap on this little save option. Now, not all the videos could be downloadable, only the ones that the show to able to download. You can tap on it, then just tap on the save video option. Once it saves the video right here, so you can tap on it, tap on the save video option, then you can simply open up Facebook, and then you can simply try to upload that video to your story. So that's the way that you can actually do it. Otherwise, you can also simply add a link to it. This way you can upload TikTok videos to Facebook story. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.